At equinatriuretic doses, which diuretic causes maximum potassium loss? That is acetazolamide. Which of the following has a self-limiting diuretic action? That is acetazolamide. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs reduce the diuretic action of furosemide by preventing prostaglandin-mediated intrarenal hemodynamic actions. The most appropriate measure to overcome diminished responsiveness to furosemide after its long-term use is addition of a thiazide diuretic. In addition to counteracting potassium loss, triamterene also opposes the following consequences of thiazide or furosemide therapy, that is magnesium loss. A patient of congestive heart failure was being treated with furosemide and digoxin. He developed urinary tract infection. Which of the following antimicrobials should be avoided? That is gentamicin. IV saline infusion is the treatment of choice for the following complication of vigorous furosemide therapy, that is acute saline depletion. Long-term thiazide therapy can cause hyperglycemia by reducing insulin release. Individual drugs of thiazide and related class of diuretics differ markedly from each other in the following respect, that is diuretic potency. Combined tablets of thiazide or high-selling diuretics with potassium chloride are not recommended because potassium absorbed while diuresis is occurring is largely excreted out, and potassium chloride in tablet formulation is likely to cause gut ulceration. The primary site of action of thiazide diuretics is cortical dilating segment. The most important reason for the thiazides being only moderately efficacious in diuretics is about 9 of 10th of glomerular filtrate is reabsorbed proximal to their site of action. Choose the correct statement about thiazide diuretics. They induce diuresis in acidosis as well as alkalosis. Thiazide diuretics enhance potassium elimination in urine primarily by increasing the availability of sodium in the distal tubular fluid to exchange with interstitial potassium. The following diuretic reduces positive free water clearance but does not affect negative free water clearance, that is hydroflumetazide. Though ithacrinic acid is also a high-selling diuretic, it is practically not used because it is more ototoxic, it causes diarrhea and gut bleeding. Its response increases steeply over a narrow dose range. The sodium chloride import in the early distal convoluted tubule of the kidney is inhibited by thiazide metolazone zipamide. Parenteral furosemide is an alternative diuretic to mannitol in the following condition, that is cerebral edema. Thiazide diuretics and furosemide have directionally opposite effect on the net renal excretion of the following substance, that is calcium. Select the diuretic which is similar in efficacy and pattern of electrolyte excretion to furosemide but is 40 times more potent dose to dose, that is bumetanide. The following diuretic abolishes the corticomedullary osmotic gradient in the kidney, that is furosemide. IV furosemide promptly mitigates dyspnea in acute left ventricular failure by increasing venous capacitance and reducing cardiac preload. Select the diuretic which is orally active, efficacious in acidosis as well as alkalosis, causes diuresis even in renal failure, and has additional carbonic anhydrase inhibitory action, that is furosemide. Furosemide acts by inhibiting the following in the renal tubular cells, that is sodium potassium chloride cotransporter. Secretion of potassium in the late distal tubule and collecting ducts of the kidney depends on intracellular potassium content, unabsorbed sodium load, presented to the distal segment and aldosterone level. Diuretics acting on the ascending limb of loop of Henle are the most efficacious in promoting salt and water excretion because reabsorptive capacity of the segments distal to it is limited.